Hello. It's a pleasure for me uh, today to talk about. I have a scenario here where I'm going to talk about an intersections of two sets contain items that are in both of the two sets, and then the other part will be a union of two sets contains all items that are either set. I would like to start um explain a little bit about intersection. Intersection is when we have like two arrays. Like for example, if I have A and I have 1, 2, and then I have B, I have 1, 3, and then I'm just going through a to see the common items between those two arrays. For a union, it will be I would just add the second one to the first one without duplicate the items. Okay. Uh, I'm going through the intersections of two sets. An overall approach would be I will use a loop to check each element in the first set. If the element also exists in the second set, I will add it to the result. If I go step by step, first what I'm going to do, I'm going to create an empty result set. I will look through each item in the first set, and then for each item, check it in the if it exists in the second set, and then after um, I will add it to my result. And then after I will return the result set to the at the end. Um, a big O performance will be if both sets are implemented as hash set. Lookup is a one like a consistent. Total complexity when n is the size of the first set. Test cases for the intersection. It will be I can take like say I said A 1, 2, 3 elements, and then set B as element we have 2, 3, 4, and then the intersection will be 2, 3. Set A, the second case will be set A will be I can take a cell phone, a laptop, and then in the B, I will have cell phone, tablet. Intersection, in this case, will be cell phone. The third case will can be where I don't have any common items between the two my two everything. Like one the I said A 1, 2, and then B as a limit 3, 4. We can see there's no intersections, no common items. And then in this case, my intersection will be empty test. Now let me go to the union of the two sets. An overall approach will be we start with all the elements from the first set, add elements from the second set, only if they are not already present. Step by step, what I can do, I will create a result set initialized with all elements of the first set. I will look through each item in the second set. If the item is not already in the result set, I will add it. And then after I will return the result set at the end. The bigger performance with asset implementation, insertion and lookup will be persistent. total complexity, like O, and mass M, where N and M are the sizes of the two sets. Um, some cases, the three cases that I'm going to have will be for the first case, I can set A equal 1, 1, 2, 3, and I set B a 3, 4, 5. Here, what can we have for the union? We can have the 1, 2, 3 for the first set, and then I will unite them, and that will be 3, 4, 5, and then the union will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The second case, I said A, the same thing that I had before in the intersection. They said A with cell phone, laptop. Said B, a cell phone, tablet. In this case, remember what I said at the beginning. We can't like duplicate items. In this case, the union will be cell phone, laptop, and then tablet. The third case will be I can set the A empty, or I set the B empty. In this case, I will set the A empty, and then I will set B 1, 2, and then the union. What will be the union? Empty is empty. The first set is empty, and then the second set 1, 2, and then my union will be 1, 2. Thank you. That's all.